What is up, Pyros? Today we're here with another stash update. Today we got part 3 of my Pyromaniacs haul. Last 4 cakes. Start over here to the left. We got another South Parker, Kiss My Ass Bitch. 200 shot cake. Cool little wrap there. And next we have Gangstein. I believe it's 345. Yeah, 345 shots. Big old monster cake. And next we got, here we go, another monster cake. I believe that is 341 shots. Yes, 341 shot cake. And down here at the bottom, we got Why So Serious. That is a 200 shot cake. Freaky little wrap. So that's my last of the pickup from Pyromaniacs in Fort Wayne. As I've stated in previous videos, I'll post the prices when I edit the video for you, so you guys know what you're looking at. But yeah, this concludes my Pyromaniacs haul. Now time to get it all stashed away for the 4th and get ready to light them up. So until next time.